Adorable home with so much to offer, all brick one-story home with an open floor plan, covered front porch plus covered back deck, attached garage, fenced yard, granite countertops, tucked away in the woods of Mount Washington on a quiet little street. One-owner home built 9 years ago and offers a 1-year-old air conditioner. You'll love the curb appeal with the porch and windows, but the inside is just a fabulous, with the windows opening into the vaulted great room letting in natural light. Living room, kitchen and dining room all open together. Kitchen has rich wood cabinetry, large center island with breakfast bar, stove, microwave and dishwasher remain plus a pantry. Primary bedroom has a tall trade ceiling, walk-in closet and private bath west/jetted tub and dual vanity sink. Nice deck and fence. Home sweet home.